Hey guys, so again, sorry about the late upload. This is day 3. I think you guys deserve a short episode for this. I may or may not have a day 4 because I don't know if I'm gonna do anything today. It's probably just gonna be me sitting around. So Owen left today. He's going back to California. Well, no, it's not California. It's Arizona. So, I will see you guys either today again or tomorrow. I don't know what it'll be for yours time or what the upload will be. So, I'm trying to do a lot of editing today. And, I guess see you at the end of the day, which is only like 3 minutes long today.
Let's go! Woohoo! Walker! Oh no! William! Right here. Oh, into this wave! Oh! Wait, okay, William. I'm gonna go off, you're gonna throw it to me. This will be epic. Oh! Okay. So right here.
Walker, going into the next wave.
Oh, yeah! Oh, what? William, up! Up! Whoa! Where did William go? Got it. Woohoo! Wiped out.
So guys, that's basically the whole day. I deleted one thing of a clip, so this is only gonna be like 4 minutes long. Yeah, maybe 3. I don't really know the whole time thing. But yeah, so like I said in the beginning, I don't know if I'm uploading today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow if I do anything, or the next day. But I assure you, it's not the end. Just may have to wait a little, like you did with the last video. Well, until the next upload.